Okay, another cooking episode, which are never popular, but I'm cookout in the boondocks, so I like making inexpensive meals. I'm very frugal. This one, I'm doing the hamburger helper, which even as a kid, I'd eat this. It was really good. You just add your chopped meat to it. This one says also you can add meatballs instead of ground beef. It comes with basically your noodles, and so I cook those up first, about 10 minutes or so. And it also comes with a bag of spices that you put in. It gives it that extra flavor. And then I have frozen hamburgers, so I cook those up and then chop them up really good, just using a simple spatula. Chop those up real nice. And I'm doing this on a smartphone, so it's hard to do all this stuff with one hand. Okay. So anyway, you're gonna do that. Cook that up, chop it up, get your chopped meat. I got a freezer, so a pretty good size freezer, 2 cubic foot freezer I put in. And so chop all that up and then just add it in here, and you don't even really have to reheat it because this has already been cooked. Okay, so this is just another, let's see, the burgers were 70 cents each, the frozen burgers. Okay, let me put this cover back on. That helps let them cook quicker because they're frozen burgers. Just a simple paper plate. They were 70 cents each, and then I think this was $1.50 maybe, the hamburger helper. So we're talking about $3, and that's enough for at least 3 people, 3 servings. So $1 a serving, or I'll say 99 cents a serving. Okay, like I say, I'm out in the desert. And, being frugal, I'm retired. So, I'm always thinking about how to make a good meal. It's good, high protein meal. You got your carbohydrates, for 99 cents, basically. And that's being cooked over a propane stove. Boondock camping, so I'm out in the middle of nowhere. I'm miles from everybody, So anyway, that's this episode. It shows you how easy it is to make a really good meal, and it's very easy to do, and costs $1, and very healthy, because it's got your high protein, you got your carbohydrates. You can add a little salt here for seasoning, or whatever, but the hamburger helper does come with a bag of seasoning, so you really don't even have to add salt. Okay, that's this unpopular episode. None of my cooking episodes are very popular. I don't know why, because I'm showing people how to have a really good meal for 99 cents instead of blowing like $20 at McDonald's or whatever. But okay, this is Eagle Eric signing out.